Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the map app or website and moving directly to the map canvas. Tap the layers or map type icon. It's often a stack, globe, or grid symbol near the corner. Once done, make sure your device's location is enabled so the map centers correctly. If you're on a desktop, hover near the map edges. If on mobile, look for a floating button. You're now ready to switch views. Do not change settings elsewhere yet. Stay on the map controls. You now choose the satellite or imagery option from the layers list. Tap it and watch the map redraw. If labels or transit overlays appear, toggle them off or on to keep important names visible. Once selected, zoom into your target area so high-resolution tiles load. Wait for clouds or low-res tiles to refresh. If the app asks to download offline imagery, decide now. You're switching base layers. This step replaces the standard view with photographic tiles for real-world detail. Finish by adjusting zoom and orientation. Pinch, swipe, or rotate until the satellite view matches your needs. If imagery looks broken or tiles are missing, refresh the map, toggle airplane mode briefly, or clear the app cache and reload. That often forces fresh tiles. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is strong because satellite tiles are large. If performance drops, switch back to default map for navigation and return to satellite, only when you need visual context or higher detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.